आगे बढ़ेंगे। परीक्षा पे चर्चा सीरीज के तहत एक्ट्रेस दीपिका पादुकोण मेंटल हेल्थ पर बात कर रही हैं। सीधे लिए चलते हैं आपको।
Always reach out for help.
Okay, now we come to the next section where we take questions from international students from CBSE schools abroad.
वर्तमान में जनरेशन Z और अल्फा को जो बढ़ती चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है, उससे संबंधित मेरा यह प्रश्न है कि हम परीक्षा और प्रतिस्पर्धा के भारी दबाव के बीच मानसिक शांति और संतुलन को कैसे बनाए रख सकते हैं?
See again, I think एक दूसरे के साथ compete करना या comparison होना it's a part of life, and again competition is not bad thing really, but to recognize our strengths and our weaknesses, to focus more on our strengths and to work on our weaknesses is probably the only way to do it. I think as long as you realize and able to recognize कि जो भी whoever we consider competition, right, what can we learn from them? And how can I, what can I do differently? I'm always competing with, I know it sounds like a cliche, but I'm always competing with myself. If I did a particular scene a certain way, अगली बार जाके, set पे जाके, how can I do it differently? How can I do it better?
अपने आप को challenge करना।
अपने आप को challenge करना. That's how I would approach it.
क्या बात है। Fantastic. अब प्रोग्राम नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाने वाला है, क्योंकि अब दीपिका हमें एक मास्टर क्लास देने वाली है।
मैं एक एक्टिविटी करना चाहूंगी आप सबके साथ। आप सबको एक छोटा सा पेपर और पेन दिया जाएगा। So I want you all to visualize one strength that all of you think you have and write it down. If you think you have more than one strength, please write it. Done. Now I'm going to request all of you to come up one by one and put it up on this board. And I'm going to write mine in the meanwhile. How amazing this activity is that if you actually sit down and think about your strengths and not focus on your weaknesses, you realize there are so many things that you're actually good at. You've said expressing on paper, story writing, providing comfort. And I think that is so amazing, Jui, because very often we're only concerned about how we can express ourselves. Anubhav Kumar ने लिखा है, I believe in myself and leadership. So I think this just goes to show a very simple activity that we literally did in a couple of, I won't even say minutes, in a couple of seconds. This is a great activity. Just shift your mind on, okay, what are the things that I'm good at? What are my strengths? And automatically you start feeling like a different person. Did you find this exercise useful? Yes, okay, great.
लेकिन अभी एक प्रॉब्लम है, एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, तो कोई ऐसा आप हैक बताएं कि हम प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में।
Okay, it's a very good question. So there's a very interesting game that we can all play, and we can actually do it right now. It's
Awesome.
very, very simple. It's called 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's play it as we're doing it right now.
Okay.
5 things that you can see right now. So look around you. There's so many things. What are just any 5 things that you can see? The next will be 4 things that you can touch. You can touch your hand. You can touch your uniform. During an exam, you might have a pen. So 4 things that you can touch. 3 things that you can hear. What can we all hear right now? Your breath, your breathing. Teacher walking up and down. Maybe the shoes. Maybe some birds outside. 2 things that you can smell. finally, one thing that you can taste. All of those things automatically just bring you back in that moment.
ब्यूटीफुल। अच्छा, अब एक काम करते हैं, इतनी मेहनत दीपिका ने की, तो अब एक एक वर्ड में आई वांट यू गाइस टू टेल अस व्हाट डिड यू लर्न टू।
Discipline.
Consistency.
Expressing ourselves.
Have fun.
You just have to look into yourself and find your biggest strengths. To always carry a smile on your face.
थैंक यू मुझे इस शो पे बुलाने के लिए. थैंक यू टू दिस इनक्रेडिबल ऑडियंस. And I would also like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for giving us this platform and to really come out as exam warriors and not warriors. And I want to wish all of you the very best, and to do your best, take adequate rest.
Deepika, you were awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।